Alrighty guys, this is Miss Ulrich. I'm going to be going over lesson 26's quiz. So it's out of 9 points. Number 1 says write 4 hundredths as a decimal. Record your answer on the grid. So you can make your place value chart. Okay. And then just go from there. So 4 hundredths. So you're going to want to go in the hundredths place, and where would the 4 go? And then you're going to bubble it in here. Oh, and then a decimal. So if your decimal is going to go anywhere, you're going to bubble in this little dot right there. So you get 1 point for number 1. Which fraction and decimal pair is equivalent? You just kind of have to do that one on your own. Here's 60 hundredths. Yeah, I'm not going to read them because that'll give it away. So do your best on that one to figure out which one's equivalent. Obviously, there's only one because you get 1 point. The shaded part of the model below represents the fraction 58 hundredths. So here's 100 boxes, and 58 of them are shaded in. And you need to write on the line, what is that decimal? So if you write the decimal correctly, you get your 1 point for number 3. Number 4, a test has 100 questions. So here's 100 boxes. Lionel gets 87 questions correct. What decimal shows the part of test he gets correct? Okay, so you're going to shade in however many questions he got correct here, and then you're going to write it as a decimal. So you get 2 points there. The number line below shows 1 whole divided into tenths. So here's our number line from 0 to 1. Write numbers in the boxes to label the missing fractions and decimals. So if this is 1/10 as a fraction, what would this be as a decimal? If this is 5/10 as a fraction, what would this be as a decimal, what would it be as a fraction? And then you can count from here, 5/10 and so on, and figure out what these both would be as a fraction and as a decimal. So 4 points there. You have to get each box correct to get the full 4 points. I hope this helps. Do your best.